Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you some Webtoon promo codes. As you can see, we're on the Reddit page, and to get these promo codes or to be updated, you just need to search them up on Google. Like just search up Webtoon promo code and then see whichever website pops up. And a lot of times people on Reddit post them. As you can see, this was posted 3 months ago and he has these codes. I'm not gonna name them, but you can see them for yourself, see which one works. As you can see, you'll get more promo codes here. If I click on that link, it's gonna take me to more codes like for freebies, free coins, things like that. And as you can see, many people down in the replies, they also have like some referral codes and like promo codes for July and things like that. So if you need anything for any particular month, you can always come over Reddit and comment. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.